you.
Procedure Identification Bill 2022. The present bill is introduced by the Government of India to authorize for taking measurement of convict and other persons for the purpose of identification and investigation in criminal matters and to preserve the record and same it needs of our. बहुत जब से हम ये बिल पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं, इट इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल चेंज. अभी तक जो क्रिमिनलों के साथ होता है या जो जिसके साथ ऐसा हुआ है उसके अगेंस्ट क्रिमिनल को सजा देने के लिए जो भी प्रोसीजर करी जाती है, सब बिखरी चीजों को एक जगह लाकर ये बिल में उतारा गया है. इसमें कोई नई चीज ये देश में करना, और आज हम बोलते हैं कि अब्रॉड के बड़ी बड़ी कंट्रियों के साथ हमने compete करना चाहिए, कंपटीशन करना चाहिए, उनके लेवल में आना चाहिए. तो इस चीज में क्यों लेवल में नहीं उतरना चाहिए? इस चीज के लिए भी उनके मुकाबले हमने खड़ा रहना चाहिए और क्रिमिनल को सजा होनी चाहिए. पहले कहावत हम सुनते थे कि चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका, यही वाला हाल है यहाँ पर इस हाउस में कि जो डरता है वो ये चीज को अगेंस्ट में बोलता है. मुझे लगता है डर के कारण ये सब चीजें बाहर निकल रही है. बिकॉज इन रीसेंट टाइम्स, Mahua, my friend, she spoke in a very aggressive this thing. She was very against for this bill. पर मुझे लगता है अगर कुछ चीजें लोगों को न्याय देने के लिए ये देश में अगर काम करना चाहिए, कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आनी चाहिए, कुछ सख्ताई आनी चाहिए, तो हर नियम और कायदे में ये सख्ताई लानी बहुत जरूरी है. तब जाके क्राइम और क्रिमिनल्स हमारे देश में कम होंगे. ये इसका सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण है. जो कुछ करेगा नहीं उसे कुछ डर नहीं. तो मुझे लगता है जो नहीं कर रहा वो ये सब चीजों में फेवर में बात कर रहे हैं, और जहां जहां डर है उनके शब्द ऑटोमेटिक निकल रहे हैं. So many accused personally came to be released on bail during pendency of trial of convict. Convict was released on parole or parole, were not tracked out, and they successfully flew away from the clutches of law by changing their visible appearance. They started to live life of another identificant and evade the penalty imposed upon them, evades the expected penalty which is expected to impose upon them. The present bill is an advanced step to the legislative intent to decrease the workload of court and investigation agencies. The bill is opposed on the count that it is unconstitutional as it affects the right to privacy, but the right to privacy is altogether a different thing than the intent act of government. There is no reason to create hangama on this. Against this bill, because even previously if is accused is convicted by the trial court, then the said accused was under obligation to give fingerprints before sending him to jail, and there was no choice with the accused to refuse the same. So now there is no justification to oppose the bill by saying that it contains force. The proposed bill is nothing but the advanced form of identification with availability of advanced technologies. मुझे लगता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी अगर नई चीजें लाएंगे नहीं तो देश आगे कहां बढ़ेगा. नहीं तो 70 इयर्स से हम जहां पे थमे हैं वहां पे ही हम रुके थे. 370 लाए थे तब भी तकलीफ थी, और अगर एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी लाते हैं, आइडेंटिफिकेशन करवाते हैं, तब भी तकलीफ है. मुझे लगता है ऑपोजिशन को हर बात में इसके अगेंस्ट तकलीफ है, क्योंकि ये काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं और हमारे होम मिनिस्टर हर चीज में सक्षम है, चाहे वो कश्मीर के मुद्दे को लेके हो या देश की सिक्योरिटी के मुद्दे को लेकर हो या सेना पे हमारे सैनिक लड़ते हैं उनके फेवर में बात की जाए. मेरे महाराष्ट्र में कलीग के ज्यादा आवाज आती है. महाराष्ट्र में जिस तरीके से पुलिस हमारे जितने भी लोग कोई भी जुर्म नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे निर्दोष लोगों पे कार्रवाइयां कर रहे हैं, वहां उस पे बोलना हमें बहुत जरूरी है. आप मेरे भाई जैसे हो और महाराष्ट्र को बिलोंग करते हैं. आपने हमारी एक मैडम का नाम लिया, अधिकारियों का नाम लेना इस सभागृह में जिसकी ऑलरेडी कोर्ट में जुडिशरी काम कर रही है, उस पे नाम लेना कुछ उचित नहीं है. आर्टिकल 20 सब आर्टिकल 3 speaks about the immunity to accuse against self-incrimination, and this bill nowhere creates evidence of a person which can be used as evidence as against him, but it related to the identification. The bill consciously brought to shattered progress of identification of accused in the existing procedure. The progress includes arrest which contains photographs. Article 21 of Constitution speaks. I know I can do some mistake. Speaks about expectation which says no person shall be deprived of his life of or liberty experts. According to the established by the law and proposed bill is just, fair, responsible and proper, which is perfectly maintained balance and right of privacy and maintenance of record of accused regarding this identification. And I would wholeheartedly support this bill and this government and the department, the way this department is working, and हमारी सरकार जिस तरीके से काम कर रही है, देश में क्राइम खत्म करने के लिए काम कर रही है, ना कि क्राइम बढ़ाने के लिए काम कर रही है. Thank you so much.
Professor Savagat Rai, 3 minutes.
Sir,
मुर्शिदाबाद मालदा तबाह होने जा रहा है.
एम भरत कुमार.
बंगाल की सरकार कहते कि केंद्र नहीं देते पैसा, केंद्र कहते सरकार नहीं देते. हम फंसे हुए हैं बीच में.
मर्ग नहीं
बीच
भरत.
में हम फंसे हुए हैं. सुबह की सरकार भी नहीं देखते, केंद्र भी नहीं देखते. बीच में हम फंसे हुए हैं.
मर्ग नहीं भरत जी.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. I take this opportunity. I speak on the interest
बोलने
of
का अवसर 2 मिनट के लिए दिया है.
state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, the House must be knowing, the whole country must be knowing about the state of Andhra Pradesh. The state was bifurcated unscientifically by the in the UPA tenure, sir. Sir, by the time there was a promise made by the Honorable Prime Minister that Andhra Pradesh state shall be given special category status. But due to some unavoidable reasons of 14th Finance Commission, the special category status was denied. But later stage, what happened, sir, in the 15th Finance Commission has mentioned that union government can take an appropriate
क्या सदन में
decision.
किसने वादा किया था इस विषय पर? ये हमेशा उठाते रहते हो.
Sir,
इसका
this
विषय
is
निकाल
the
के
demand
रखना.
for grant, sir. We need a grant for the Andhra Pradesh state, sir. Once the Andhra Pradesh state got unscientifically bifurcated, sir, this is not the voice of Andhra Pradesh. It should be a voice of the country, sir. Rather, it should be a voice of the country. And many more times, our Honorable Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy ji met the Prime Minister and all the union ministers, sir, to give a special grant for Andhra Pradesh. Sir, we are like a small baby, sir. We are malnutrition, sir. Let the people of Andhra Pradesh shouldn't think that we are minorities of the country, sir. Our number is only 25. But the injustice is made to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Let the magnanimity should be there for the government of India to sanction the grants for the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, once the two brothers got separated as a family, one brother is given a high amounts of wealth and one brother is given nothing, sir. Then the government of India, being a father role, they have to take the justice for the Andhra Pradesh, sir.
बंटवारा कब हुआ था ये?
14 में हुआ था.
9 years done, sir. But up till now, nothing has been happened, sir. Yes, sir. But then the minister, Venkaiah Naidu ji, has mentioned, sir, in the house itself, that Andhra Pradesh state shall be given 10 years of, not 5 years, 10 years of special
फिर
category.
निशिकांत जी आपको कानून बता देंगे नाम लोगे.
But then the minister in this house, sir, not the other house, in this house only. Sir, one more thing, sir. It is one of the members from...
जब ये डिवीजन हुआ सर 2014 में, वेंकैया जी इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं थे. उन्होंने वहां राज्यसभा में क्या कहा क्या नहीं कहा ये यहाँ थोड़ा डिस्कस हो सकता है.
He has
And he was
mentioned
not
in this
minister.
Lok Sabha house,
He was not minister. And he was
But-
not in Lok Sabha.
But he was mentioned in Lok Sabha, sir. By the time, and also the Honorable Prime Minister, then the Prime Minister, sir.
Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister, assured the House that Andhra Pradesh will be given special category status at the
Not
time
for
of the
5
division.
years, 10 years.
Dr. Manmohan Singh as Prime Minister
Sir,
assured.
we are seeking a different parts, sir, different ways to go with a private member bill, sir, for AP Reorganization Act of Private Member Bill of 2022. In that, we wanted to include special category status, sir.
Okay,
so why
धन्यवाद.
such kind of situation has to happen, sir? Sir, one more point, sir. Finally, I wanted to make one more point, sir. One of the members of TDP, sir, who is fabricating lies and voicing false statements right now, sir. Sir, I wanted to quote, sir, we are not that poor enough to pay salaries, sir. We are abundant enough to pay salaries. But one more thing, sir, the Minister of Finance has informed the state that 17,923 crores has been reduced against the NBC for 2021 to 22 due to the over-borrowing of fiscal irresponsible by TDP government, sir, during 14th Finance Commission, sir. But that is being adjusted now what central government is giving to the state, that is being adjusted, sir. But the TDP tenure, they did all the mistakes, and now what the funds is being given to the state, that is being reduced, sir. How can it be possible, sir? Is any action has to be taken by the central government to that past government? Let it be, sir. But what all the finances has to come to the state, that has to taken care by the central government, sir. Sir, one more point I'd like to quote, sir. And regarding the Polavaram project, sir, the Polavaram project is the lifeline for the Andhra Pradesh state. Once the Hyderabad, the capital city, is being given to the Telangana, the Polavaram project funds has to be given to the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, first time in the history of the country, sir, any national project, once the state is investing money and the central government is reimbursing the money, sir, how can it be possible, sir? Still more than 2,800 crores has to come to the state of Andhra Pradesh. I request the central government to sanction the funds at the earliest, sir. And also more to that, sir, we are having a big coastline after Gujarat, sir. Our chief minister is going ahead with the fishing harbor, sir. We request your finances to be given to the state of Andhra Pradesh.
Ravnesh Singh